Students, in this period I am going to solve some important problems of exercise 2.2. In previous classes, you have learnt about zeros of the polynomial. So, in this question, you have to find the zero of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. So I am going to solve question number 1 of exercise 2.2. Answer 1. First number question is x square minus 2x minus 8. We have x square minus 2x minus 8. It is a quadratic polynomial, and from this polynomial we have to find the zero. So simplifying x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. After factorization, we can write x square minus 4x plus 2x. We take two such factors of 8 whose sum is a minus 2 and their product will be minus 8x square. So, the factorization of x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. 2 into x minus 4. Yeah, x minus 4 into x plus 2. So px बराबर 0 या x minus 4 बराबर 0 या and x plus 2 बराबर 0. If x minus 4 बराबर 0, then x is equal to 4, and if x plus 2 बराबर 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So 4 and minus 2 are zeros of polynomial of zeros of polynomial. 4 and minus 2 are zero of polynomial. Now we have to find the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. Relation, here sum of zeros is equal to 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 4 plus sum of zeros is equal to 4 plus minus 2 बराबर 2 is equal to minus into minus 2 by 1 बराबर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x minus coefficient of x by 1 is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. A product of zero, sum of zeros is equal to कितना? The product of zeros is equal to 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 बराबर minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8 by 1, we can write, is equal to constant term by 1, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So hence it is verified that sum of zeros is equal to minus into minus 2. Here in the polynomial, minus 2 is coefficient of x and coefficient of x square is equal to 1. So this is the relation between the coefficient of x, relation between the zeros and the coefficient of x, and the product of zeros is equal to 4 into minus 2 बराबर minus 8. In polynomial px, minus 8 is a constant term by 1. 1 is coefficient of x square. So relation is verified. Again I want to clear. You have given a polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Factorization. After factorization, we write x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Taking common in both terms, x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 into x plus 2. We have to find the zero of polynomial, so px बराबर 0. We can write x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. If x minus 4 बराबर 0, then x is equal to 4, and if x plus 2 बराबर 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So 4 and minus 2 are zeros of polynomial px. Now we are going to find the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. So sum of zeros बराबर शून्यकों का योग बराबर 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 2. We can write for minus into minus 2, because minus into minus बराबर plus. So for 2 we can write minus into minus 2 by 1. Here we write for minus and minus 2 for coefficient of x, but coefficient of x square. So this is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of x. Also product of zeros बराबर 4 into minus 2 बराबर minus 8. Minus 8 is a constant term of polynomial. So for minus 8 we can write constant term, but 1 for coefficient of x square. So this is the relation between the zero and the coefficient of x square. One more example. I want to solve 4 of question number 1. 4 of question number 1. plus 8u. This is a quadratic polynomial. So we have 4u square plus 8u. We take common 4u from the polynomial. Taking common 4u, u plus 2, pu बराबर pu इज इक्वल टू 0 या pu बराबर 0 या 4u इंटू u प्लस 2 बराबर 0 या u बराबर या 4u बराबर 0 बाय u प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 या u बराबर 0 बाय u प्लस 2 0 या u बराबर 4u बराबर 0 4u बराबर 0 एंड u प्लस 2 बराबर 0 if 4u बराबर 0 then u is equal to 0 by 4 बराबर 0 and if u plus 2 बराबर 0 then u is equal to minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 are zeros of polynomial pu. Now I am going to relation sum of zeros बराबर sum of zeros is equal to 0 plus sum of zeros is equal to 0 plus minus 2. 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 8 by 4 minus 8y minus we can write for minus 8 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 8 by 4 is equal to coefficient of u is equal to minus coefficient of u by here 4 is coefficient of x square, coefficient of u square. Hence this is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient and the product of zeros बराबर product of zeros is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0 into minus 2 बराबर 0 is equal to 0 by 1 is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient 0 by 4 0 by 4 बराबर coefficient of u square. Here constant term is 0. So this is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. We have given a polynomial, quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u. We take common 4u into u plus 2 to find the zero of polynomial px बराबर 0 या 4u into u plus 2 बराबर 0 या 4u बराबर 0 and u plus 2 बराबर 0. If 4u बराबर 0 then u is equal to 0 by 4 बराबर 0 and if u plus 2 बराबर 0 then u is equal to minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 are zeros of polynomial px. इस प्रकार 0 और माइनस 0 और माइनस 2 बहुपद पीयू का शून्यक है। अब सम ऑफ जीरो शून्यकों का योगफल बराबर 0 प्लस माइनस 2 बराबर माइनस 2। वी राइट फॉर माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8 by 4। वी कैन राइट फॉर माइनस 2 हियर इन द क्वेश्चन minus into 8 is the coefficient of u, 8 is coefficient, so we can write coefficient of x, but 4 is coefficient of u square. So sum of zeros will be minus into minus coefficient of u by coefficient of a square, and product of zeros is equal to 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0, 0 by 4. Here constant term, there is no constant term in this polynomial, so 0 is equal to constant term but 4 is equal to coefficient of u square. So this is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. And in next problem, question number 2, in question number 2 you have to polynomial each with the given numbers as sum and product. In question number 2, sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, and you have to find a quadratic polynomial. So I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 2.2. A quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as sum and product of its zeros respectively 1 by 4 and minus 1. Here we have sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 4 which is given. Sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 4 and product of zeros is equal to minus 1. From this value we have to find a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial px, quadratic polynomial is equal to x square minus sum of zeros into x plus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros plus product of zeros Here k is constant is equal to 1 by 4 into x square minus in question we are given sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So we write 1 by 4 on place of sum of zeros into x plus product of 0 is given minus 1 is equal to 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4 by 4. 4 cancel is equal to 4x square minus x minus 4. This is the required quadratic polynomial. So if you are given sum of zeros and product of 0 to find the quadratic polynomial, we write formula of quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of 0. Here denominator is 4. So in place of k we write 4 constant bracket into x square minus sum of zeros is 1 by 4 into x plus product of 0 is equal to minus 1 barabar 4 into 4x square, adding 4x square minus x minus 4 by 4. So this is the required polynomial, quadratic polynomial 4x square minus x minus 4. According to this process, I hope that you can solve all questions of question number 1 and 2. In next class, I will start next exercise. Thank you. I want the question.